Alrighty, welcome back to week 20 of GoMining solo mining. Still sitting pretty with my 2 miners, 1 shitty bonus miner with nothing on it at the moment because, we have no active days, but that is what it is. Still got our 215 terahash, 20 watts of terahash, and a 5.89% discount. Don't know what happened. I did a video of how to send your miner from one account to another, and then when I sent this back, for some reason, it's not including this 100 terahash into my VIP status. It literally just says I just have 115 and that I need to get up to 200, even though I have 250. Like, how am I gold 1? I should be gold 2. I was gold 2 before I fucking sent them. Oh well. Is what it is. Our total mining rewards, sitting pretty. Almost at 0.03 exactly. But we are actually at 0.029999818 Bitcoin. That sounds a little Hitlerish. 999! At $3,466.82. But what is it worth actually? Okay, we're only off by 12 cents. That's pretty fucking good. That is pretty fucking good. Jesus Christ. It's the first time it's been that accurate. And for the weekly period of September 2nd to September 8th, we are sitting at 0.000274444 Bitcoin. I don't know why it's so low. Like, the pool reward normally is 0001 or 11, but now it's been dropping. But I guess that's because a lot more people are mining Bitcoin, so there's a lot more people joining the mining pool that I'm in, or that GoMining's using, or one of the three. And when they do that, obviously, when there's more people mining, the rewards got to be distributed more, and the hashing rate difficulty goes up, all that, But normally when that happens, well, I guess a better example would be to explain the Bitcoin halving. So every 4 years, most people know Bitcoin halvings, so the block reward gets cut in half. But normally when this happens, the price of Bitcoin also increases like a motherfucker. So if we want to look at the last Bitcoin halving, which was, a year and a half ago, it was April 20th, the day before. So the price of Bitcoin was $64,000 basically. So it was just getting back up to these all-time highs. And then, after the halving, it reached a maximum of, it says 120,000, but I think it's 124,000. Right now it's sitting at 115,000. So the price is yet to double, but it's literally just under it. But if we go to the one prior to that, which was on May 11th, 2020. So this is the closest I can get it. It's just a day off. But this is the halving that happened prior to the 2024 halving. The price of Bitcoin was at a staggering $8,754. And then the price of it literally a year later was $56,000. So that's a lot. We could already see here, after the halvings, the price just fucking increases like a motherfucker. So I already know that's nothing to worry about, because I was already here on GoMining when the last halving happened, and all I had to do was just lower my efficiency from 35 down to 20, and I was back to making money again. Because at 35 watts of terahash, you end up losing money. You're not even losing money, you just don't make any, because all of it goes to the power and maintenance fees, because the cost is so damn high. You can't profit off 35 watts of terahash. If I were to lower this to 15, I'd be making fucking even more. But that's for another day to come, possibly. Almost forgot to say how much I made this week. This week's profit was $31.71. Not bad at all. I know the other week that when I forgot my discount, the price was basically the same thing as this, even though it's back up to the 6.2 discount. This is because the pool reward's lowering. That's not my fault. That's not my fault. Falling asleep and not clicking the service button, that was my fault. That was me being a retard rookie. And for anyone that wants to start mining some Bitcoin today, you can literally start at 1 terahash, at 20 watts of terahash, or 15, all up to you, for just $26.99. Or if you go for the 15 watts of terahash one, it is a little bit extra. It's about $33 a terahash plus tax. But with this, you are mining 2 cents a day. That may not be much, but in a year, you will have mined $8.37 of Bitcoin. That is up to a 31% ROI just on that. That is pretty good. That's amazing. But if you're willing to go in a bit more, say you have, $108,000 to spare, then you can buy 5,000 terahash at 20 watts of terahash, and you'll be making about $116 a day. This is also at current rates, and you'll be getting up to a 39% ROI. That is because you're getting a better deal per terahash when you buy a lot more. Now, remember, if you use my referral code, you will get an extra 5% terahash on the first miner you purchase. So, say you purchase a 1,000 terahash miner because, you're a fucking boss. You're willing to spend $23,000. To be honest, that's actually a fucking good deal. That's actually a really good deal. Holy shit, because you're also making $23 a day. You get an extra 50 terahash on top of that. You want to know what 50 terahash costs alone? Just under $1,200. You're getting free $1,200 with it, plus a free $1.10 a day. Yearly, that's $402 extra. But that's only if you use a referral code down in the description below. Fuck, I still wish, imagine having 108,000, not even, look at this. Imagine having 136,000 and you're making $144 a day doing nothing. That's weekends included. Yearly, $52,000. If you're willing to buy a bunch of Go mining tokens and reinvest it to pay for the maintenance and service fees, well, then you're getting up to a 20% discount on top of that. So you'd be making around, $62,000 a year. Your ROI goes from 38% up to 45%. And you also got to remember the price of Bitcoin is also going up. So you never know. This could also go up. Say Bitcoin's at $150,000. Well, now you're making $250 a day. Yearly, you're making $91,000 a year. Doing nothing. Actually, not doing nothing. You got to make sure you click this service button here. Remember that. Now, also remember, have a good one, guys. And rest in peace, Charlie Kirk. You were a good man. Speaking your truth. No one should ever be killed for that. Have a good one, guys.
Foundation. I'm just mining all these coins while I'm minding my own business. All this money that I'm making is gonna be a Merry Christmas. All this power that I'm pushing, I'm just trying to drain the swamp.